Okay, hi guys, so this is Danielle. I'm here to teach you about the bubble talk and the button. This is the first video you need to watch first before you're going to construct your capture page. So let's get into it. You have two ways to find that all the picture. You can go to Clixsense teamphilippine1.blogspot.com. All the picture are here. So you see the bubble talk, no face because you're going to add your own face. So and here you have the button. So we have 3 buttons and 2 bubble talk. I leave one blank if you want to change the word. It's up to you. So that's the way they're made. And also in our coded pages notepad, every address are there also, so you're not going to be lost. Everything is there. Even all URL address are there for each bubble and button. So you have 2 ways. So let's get into it. Let's build our bubble talk. So we will go to pixlr.com, and when you are there you will click on Pixlr Editor Launch Web App. So we're going to use this one, and we will choose, there's 2 ways. If you save the picture to your computer, you will click this one. If you want to use by URL, you will click the 3rd one. So this is the one I'm going to use, and from there we're going to get our coded pages. So I will go to the end because everything is there. So we will start with the first one, the bubble talk for success. So we will copy the URL address and we will paste it there and click OK. So that will load the image. You see the image is there, the transparency is there also. And then we will click on File and we will get our image. So open the image of yourself, the one you want to use for your bubble talk. And I will use this one because I'm doing her blog for her. So that's the one I want to use. And after that, when the image is open, you will click this marquee tools. You click on that, and here you have 2 choices, the square one or the elliptical one. So we will use this one, and where you want to make it around the face, just open it like this and release the pressure, and from there you can move it around, so make sure you pause, you make the position of the face correctly, and after that you will click on edit and we will click copy. So now we just copy the face of the person, and then we will go back in our bubble talk on the top, and you will click on edit and paste. So now the image is there. I know it's big, so you click on edit and free transform. From there we will adjust the width, and the image is there. You're going to drag it at the good position. If it's too small, make it just a little bigger, and I think like this is perfect. So you click on the marquee tool and you apply the changes. So now this image we don't need it because we already have our own. And from here now we're going to click on this button here, the layer style. Click on that because we're going to make some shadow around the bubble. So we will use the inner shadow. So you see already what happened, but there's too many. So double click on inner shadow and make this the distance around 6. 6 should be very nice. Oh, okay, 8. Or you can just go here and click 6, and that's perfect. And we're gonna put some outer glow. So double click on that, and the size should be around 4. So like this, I think that's pretty cool. Click OK, and that's good. And from there we need to bring that face behind the bubble, or else it makes no sense. It's over. So the layer 1, that's the face 1, the face, your face. So you will drag your layer 1 just under the layer 0. So now you see the face is behind the bubble. So that's what we want. And now what is missing is only the text. So you will click on A and you will click inside the bubble and put your text. So your friend, so you will put your friend, comma, and her name is Rizilda, so Rizilda, and you will choose Arial. That's the good one we want. So choose Arial. Size is 24, so you will put 24, and italic is always the nice one, and you click OK. So now with the moving tool, just put it the way you want it, and you see that's perfect. So we are done with the first bubble. So what you will do, you will save it, click save. You leave it at PNG because that's the best optimized quality for a picture. So you click OK, and you're going to put in the file you want. So if you want it on the desktop or in your document, so me, I will put it back in my picture, and I will just choose the file I want to be. So I will put it here and give a name. So I will call it Riz1 and save it. And boom, now you can open image URL. So we're gonna go get the rest of the one, you know. So now you can do the second bubble talk here, but already you know how to do it. So now we're gonna do a button. So next page button, I'm gonna grab this URL. So I'm gonna go back to this place and paste and click OK. So now the image is going to load. So you see it's loading. So now what we will do, we will grab the image of this person here. We're gonna right click, and we're gonna duplicate this layer. And what you will do is you grab this picture there and you put it here. No, sorry. Let's just return back, undo. So let's go back here. I need to grab the image. That's the one. Okay. I make a mistake. Don't worry. It's normal. So we're going to duplicate this layer. And we're going to grab the face of the person, and we're going to put it there. Now it's a little too big. So you're going to adjust. So free transform. And we're going to adjust for the bubble. So about this, drag it. And this is still a little too big, and I think this one should be not bad. So we apply yes, and from there, you see, that's done. So now this button here, it's done. So what we can do, we can just save it, and it's called next page. So you can make a name here, next page Riz. So you put a bar and Riz and click OK, and you continue until all your image are done. And you see it's very easy. So now you know what to do, and also don't forget to make this I will reply as soon as possible, because this is the branding about that header. So also you will just grab the image of the header. It's here at the bottom, autoresponder. So you will click on this, copy, go back in your editor, and then you can close this one. We don't need it. And then just open the new page again, URL, paste it there, click OK. And this is all free, guys. Nothing is will cost you. And here we will take again the image of that person. You see that duplicable layer? So you bring it back in the image here, and boom. So then we can just save this image as it is, and it's done. You see? So very, very easy. So put header auto for autoresponder. You save it, and you click OK, save, and you can close this one. You do all your 5 you need to do, and that's it. So now you have it. It's a free editor. You can edit your bubble tag, your button, you're branded to yourself. And after, in my next tutorial, you will see everything put together in the capture page. So I hope it's a good information for you guys, and I see you to my next video. Take care. Goodbye.